Today I am taking modals and I don't see that there is an equivalent word for modals in Hindi grammar. Modals means the change of attitude, the way of telling something in a different way, that is called modals. So I am talking about some modals. For example, the modals are can, could, might, could yes, will, must. Should. Yes. Yes. Now I am talking about can. Can. To show capacity. Ability. I can jump 5 feet high. It shows my capacity. I can lift 60 kg weight.
This is the ability.
Now come to everything. I can read English. I can write English. I can speak English. This is my ability. I can teach postgraduate classes. This is my ability. About can. He can teach English. He can speak English. He can teach graduate classes. This shows the ability. Then can also sometimes shows the possibility. But the sky is covered with clouds. It can rain today. So here is can shows the possibility. Sometimes can is used for the permission. A boy comes to a teacher and he asks that his father has called him. Then teacher can allow him saying you can go now. You can go now. So this is also about permission. So this is about can. Can would. Could is the past tense of can. Could run 20 kilometer race when I was young. He could swim for 10 hours. This is could. So could means the past tense of it. It also shows your capacity and ability also. Capacity. Okay. Showing capacity could is used for request. For example, could you give me your book for today? Way to the temple. These are the examples. Here is could is used as a request. Then I come to ought. Should is used for suggestion, for advice. The exam is coming nearer and near. You should work hard. You should obey your parents. You should come in time. You should come in proper dress. You should obey your teachers. So this is should, suggestion. And advice. Should is for suggestions also, for suggestions and for permission also. Should I help you? Should I tell this to my parents? So it is in kind of permission. This would be used. Rich should help the poor. Today, I am trying to teach you models. So first of all, I take model can. The can is used to show capacity and ability. For example, capacity, I can lift 60 kg weight. I can jump 5 feet high. For ability, I can speak English. I can recite 10 poems. Then could is also used for permission. You can go home now. You can go home now. Then I come to could. The second model is could. Could is the past tense of can, showing capacity and ability. For example, I could walk 50 kilometers when I was young. Could is also used for request. Could you give me your book? Then I come to another model, that is should. Should is used to suggest, to advise. For suggestion, you should work hard for examination. You should respect your parents. One should be punctual. Then comes the next model, that is ought. Ought is used for moral obligation. For example, the rich should help the poor. The rich means the whole class of rich people. The poor means the whole class of the poor people. Dear students, I want to take your feedback. Do you understand what I am trying to say you or teach you? You just give your suggestion, your comments, so that I may improve my teaching for tomorrow.